Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts, and she's on YouTube and on Instagram. And this is basically a 100-day project where you just take 10 minutes of your day to see what you can make. So today is day 14, and we're going to see what we can get done. So yesterday we made I stitched around the cover, and then I added this, I guess you could call it a tip-in. And we're going to decorate that today. So let me just go ahead and get my timer out. And yesterday I had already set out some stuff that I had considered using. So we're just going to go ahead and see what all we can get done. So let's just go ahead and start the timer. Alright, so I do know for a fact that I do want this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead, and when the idea comes to me, I'm just going to go ahead and run with it. I've learned to just go ahead and do stuff like that because then I can really get stuff done. This flower comes from Betsy of Museful Creations. I'm not real sure which one of her kits it is, but I can look it up and leave a link in the description. And I've got like a Happy Meal and all kinds of different stuff from other people. And as I go along, I will mention whose it belongs to or who I got it from. So, I've been working a lot lately, so I've tried to film some of these videos ahead of time. That way it could air like I schedule it to air. So when I'm making these videos, it's not quite that day, but close enough. Alright, so, okay, I do know I like that flower right there. I probably should have turned it a little bit more. Anyway, that's okay. Should I put bakery on this side, or should I put it there? And I have a lot of ephemera left. Some of it's from, now these right here, I may use to make like a journal card. We'll see. These are from Debbie from Ink and Page. This was from her tea time kit. But I like the fact that it's got like the cakes and, you know, confections and things like that on there. And then I also have this. This is also from the Sweets by Talisha. And I like how it has this like metallic kind of finish on it, kind of like the word bakery. So I'm thinking that, I don't know yet, I'm still thinking. I'm probably going to use that. If I don't use it on this page, then I may, I probably will use it on this side. I don't know yet. I don't know, I might use it on this side. Okay, so we're going to set that there, and as I figure out what in the world I'm going to do, probably do want that there. I'm trying to get an idea of what stuff's going to look like if I put it together. I think I'm going to make a tag. So I do want to decorate, but I'm probably going to make a tag too. And let's see. I'm going to use that. I'm just going to go ahead and go with it, but I'm probably going to add, just to make sure that this is sturdy, because this has, it's a cluster, and I'm going to glue this on here just to make it sturdy. And that black didn't turn out too bad, did it? My homemade black paper. But it's gonna be a pocket, or like a tuck spot kinda. So let's just go ahead and glue this on here, just to make sure it doesn't get like torn or anything whenever I tuck something down in there. Let me turn it like this. This is so cute. I got this from Felicia. I don't want to say about 2 years ago, honestly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear, kind of going around the edge. And then I'm going to leave it, I'm going to have it kind of going up at an angle. And then I'm going to cover up part of this black right here. And that's something else I need to do too, is finish covering that up right there. What I may do is just get some scrap paper. Wish I had some. Okay, it's never a shortage of scrap papers. We'll just add this on there. And I'm just going to distress it because I feel like it needs that brown in order for that to show. We still have, I think, like 5 minutes, so we're not doing too bad. Just try to get this on as quickly as I can. I feel like doing these challenges, I feel like I am starting to get a little bit better. I mean, I'm still indecisive, don't get me wrong, but I do feel like I'm starting to just do something a whole lot quicker instead of pondering as long as I usually do. Yeah, I usually take a long time to figure out what I want, but I feel like this challenge is helping me. It's kind of therapeutic, actually. So it kind of forces me to just do something instead of nothing, if that makes any sense. All right. So we got that, so we're just I'm not gonna worry about distressing that. This is gonna be our little pocket. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the bottom. Running low on glue. Have to get some more, goodness gracious. All right, so it has that, and we're just gonna kind of cover up that black on this side. And I'll be doing the same thing on the other page. So, okay, well, at least we have that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this yet. So we're just going to, I do want something here. I think I will go ahead and put bakery right here. And you know what? This is like a belly band. This could actually slip down over something. I might hold off before I use that. Or, no, it's too many. I could put it here. You know, I think I am gonna put it right here. And I could stick something down into that, stick something into here as well. We need something here. And I'm probably just going to put this. Not yet. Hey, I might even use my little, I think I'll put my little pink donut over here. And yeah, because we'll have pink here and pink here. And it kind of blends in. It's down far enough that it blends in. Since I didn't use it the other day on the cover. We'll put that like, put that right here. I think that's cute right there. Oh, we're almost done. I'll go ahead and do something on this side. definitely need to cover this right here for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and distress it. Even if I run out of time, I'm still gonna finish this layout. I like to have finished stuff. Yep. There's our 10 minutes. What I may do is I'll probably just speed this up and then just finish it, because I don't like to not have finished stuff. I still haven't got, I'm not there yet. Okay, so I finally finished decorating, and I know it's probably kind of like cheating, but if I don't do this in like a little bit longer than 10-minute segments, it's going to take me 365 days just to finish this one little journal. So basically what I did, you already know I added this little pocket up, this little side pocket here and this, and then I just decorated it with just different little things. I just added this little journal card in here. Basically I just added some words and phrases, added this here, added this little die cut tattered floral, and then just added some words. And then you know, this is a pocket, this is a pocket, this is that little tuck spot, which I could put like a little tag in there. I'll do that on another day. And then we have like a little side pocket. I just took one of the other pieces that came with this stuffed pocket and then just put it on here. Added pigment of my imagination instead of figment of my imagination, you know. And then of course, you know, this is that same pocket from the front that flips out. And then you know, the pockets that we had from the other day. So that's pretty much it. And then, like I said, I added some words, correspondence, and some little gems and little decorations and whatnot. But that's pretty much all I did. I added on some paper to cover up, you know, where we add those black flaps. And that's about all I did. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And you can also check out my Ko-Fi site where you can get freebies and stuff. And so I'll probably just start on the whole other page on the next episode. We'll see. I don't know yet. I might make tags or something to fill these. That's what I might do. I don't know. I don't never know what I'm gonna do until the day of. So I thank you guys for your support and for watching, and happy crafting.